When wiring a split-system air conditioning system, several key considerations must be addressed for both the outdoor condenser unit and the indoor units. The outdoor unit, which operates at 230 volts and requires a 20 amp circuit, demands a dedicated circuit from the electrical panel. This circuit should be wired using heavy-duty wire with a minimum gauge of 10 AWG to handle the current load safely and efficiently. Adequate overcurrent protection in the form of a 20 amp circuit breaker or fuse is crucial to safeguard against electrical faults and prevent potential hazards. The indoor units, often wall-mounted and equipped with built-in blowers and controls, receive both power and control signals from the outdoor unit through an 18-4 SJOW cord. This flexible, oil-resistant cord features 18 AWG conductors and comprises 4 conductors, 2 for hot, 1 neutral, 1 for ground, and 1 for control signals, facilitating seamless communication and power delivery between the outdoor and indoor components. It is important to note that the 18-4 SJOW cord carries both power and control signals between the outdoor and indoor units. The indoor units typically have built-in controls and blowers that are powered by the 18-4 cord. The outdoor unit is typically wired directly to the electrical panel. All wiring should be installed by a qualified electrician in accordance with local codes. Split-system air conditioning offers several advantages. Firstly, energy efficiency is enhanced as indoor units operate only when needed, reducing overall energy consumption. Secondly, zone control is enabled through multiple indoor units, allowing for customized temperature settings in different areas of the house. Thirdly, quiet operation is achieved by locating the outdoor unit outside the house, minimizing indoor noise levels. When planning the installation, several tips should be considered. Firstly, carefully plan the location of the outdoor unit to minimize noise and vibrations. Secondly, ensure that the indoor units are properly sized for the rooms they are cooling. Thirdly, run the 18-4 cord through conduits or raceways to protect it from damage. Finally, have all electrical connections inspected and tested by a qualified electrician. When working with electrical systems, always prioritize safety and adhere to established protocols. Before commencing any wiring work, ensure that the power supply is disconnected to prevent electrical shock. Employ appropriate personal protective equipment, including insulated gloves and safety glasses, to minimize the risk of injury. Use insulated tools designed for electrical work to avoid accidental contact with live wires. Adhere to all applicable electrical codes and regulations to ensure compliance and prevent potential hazards. If unsure about any aspect of the wiring process, consult a qualified electrician for guidance and assistance. In summary, wiring a split-system air conditioning system requires careful attention to detail, adherence to safety protocols, and compliance with electrical codes. By following the guidelines outlined above and seeking professional assistance when needed, ensure a safe, efficient, and reliable installation that provides optimal comfort and energy savings. Split-system air conditioning offers a practical and versatile solution for cooling individual rooms or zones within a building. Unlike traditional central air conditioning systems that cool an entire building from a single location, split systems consist of an outdoor compressor/condenser unit and one or more indoor air handling units. This design allows for independent temperature control in each zone, leading to improved energy efficiency and personalized comfort. The outdoor unit is responsible for compressing refrigerant and dissipating heat, while the indoor units circulate cool air within the designated spaces. The refrigerant lines and electrical wiring connect the outdoor and indoor units, facilitating the transfer of heat and power. Split systems are available in various configurations, including single-zone systems with one indoor unit and multi-zone systems with multiple indoor units connected to a single outdoor unit. Multi-zone systems are particularly well suited for larger homes or offices where different areas have varying cooling needs. Ductless mini-split systems are a type of split system that does not require ductwork, making them ideal for retrofitting existing buildings or adding air conditioning to rooms without duct access. These systems typically consist of a small outdoor unit and one or more wall-mounted indoor units. The indoor units are connected to the outdoor unit via refrigerant lines and electrical wiring, which are typically concealed within the walls or ceilings. Ductless mini-split systems offer several advantages over traditional central air conditioning systems, including easier installation, improved energy efficiency, and individual zone control. They are also quieter than window air conditioners and more aesthetically pleasing than portable air conditioners. When selecting a split system, it is important to consider the size of the area to be cooled, the climate, and the desired level of energy efficiency. The cooling capacity of the system should be matched to the size of the room or zone to ensure optimal performance. Energy-efficient models can save money on utility bills over the long term, but they may have a higher upfront cost. It is also important to choose a reputable brand and have the system installed by a qualified technician to ensure proper operation and longevity. Regular maintenance is essential to keep split systems running efficiently and reliably. This includes cleaning the air filters regularly, inspecting the refrigerant lines for leaks, and cleaning the outdoor unit coils. A qualified technician should perform a thorough inspection and tune-up of the system at least once a year. Split system air conditioning is a versatile and energy-efficient solution for cooling individual rooms or zones within a building. With proper selection, installation, and maintenance, split systems can provide years of reliable and comfortable cooling. When installing a split system, attention to detail is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. The outdoor unit should be placed in a location that is well ventilated and protected from direct sunlight. The indoor unit should be mounted in a location that allows for even air distribution throughout the room. The refrigerant lines and electrical wiring should be properly insulated and protected from damage. It is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully during installation and to use the correct tools and materials. Improper installation can lead to reduced efficiency, increased energy consumption, and premature failure of the system. A qualified technician should perform a final inspection and start-up of the system to ensure that it is operating correctly. The technician should check the refrigerant charge, airflow, and electrical connections to verify that the system is functioning according to specifications. The technician should also provide the homeowner with instructions on how to operate and maintain the system. Split system air conditioning offers a number of advantages over other types of cooling systems. They are more energy efficient than window air conditioners and portable air conditioners, and they provide more individual zone control than central air conditioning systems. They are also quieter than window air conditioners and more aesthetically pleasing than portable air conditioners. Split systems can be used in a variety of applications, including homes, offices, apartments, and condominiums. They are particularly well suited for retrofitting existing buildings or adding air conditioning to rooms without duct access. Split systems are a cost-effective and energy-efficient solution for cooling individual rooms or zones within a building. With proper selection, installation, and maintenance, split systems can provide years of reliable and comfortable cooling. One additional point to consider is the condensate drain line. The indoor unit of a split system generates condensate as it cools the air. This condensate needs to be drained away to prevent water damage. The condensate drain line should be properly installed and sloped to ensure that the condensate flows freely. The drain line should also be insulated to prevent condensation from forming on the outside of the line. A clogged condensate drain line can lead to water damage and mold growth. It is important to periodically check the drain line to ensure that it is clear of debris. If the drain line is clogged, it can be cleared with a wet/dry vacuum or a drain snake. Another important consideration is the electrical wiring. The electrical wiring for the split system should be installed by a qualified electrician. The wiring should be sized correctly to handle the electrical load of the system. The wiring should also be protected from damage. A dedicated circuit breaker should be used for the split system. This will help to protect the system from electrical overloads. The electrical wiring should be inspected periodically to ensure that it is in good condition. Damaged wiring can be a fire hazard. When selecting a split system, it is important to choose a system that is the right size for the area to be cooled. A system that is too small will not be able to cool the area effectively. A system that is too large will cycle on and off frequently, which can waste energy and shorten the life of the system. A qualified technician can help you to determine the right size system for your needs. It is also important to choose a system that is energy efficient. Energy efficient systems will save you money on your utility bills over the long term. Look for systems with a high seasonal energy efficiency ratio rating. The higher the C rating, the more energy efficient the system. Split system air conditioning is a versatile and energy efficient solution for cooling individual rooms or zones within a building. With proper selection, installation, and maintenance, split systems can provide years of reliable and comfortable cooling. Remember to consult local codes and regulations regarding electrical work and HVAC installations to ensure compliance and safety. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice from a qualified electrician or HVAC technician. Always prioritize safety and follow established protocols when working with electrical systems and HVAC equipment. Consider the placement of the thermostat for optimal temperature control. The thermostat should be located in an area that is representative of the overall temperature of the room. Avoid placing the thermostat in direct sunlight or near heat sources, as this can cause inaccurate readings. The thermostat should also be easily accessible and visible. Some thermostats have programmable features that allow you to set different temperatures for different times of the day. This can help to save energy and reduce your utility bills. Consider the use of a smart thermostat. Smart thermostats can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or tablet. This allows you to adjust the temperature even when you are not at home. Smart thermostats can also learn your preferences and automatically adjust the temperature to save energy. Some smart thermostats can also provide you with reports on your energy usage. When choosing a smart thermostat, it is important to choose one that is compatible with your split system. Consider the noise level of the split system. Some split systems are quieter than others. If noise is a concern, look for a system with a low decibel rating. The noise level of the outdoor unit can also be a factor. Consider the location of the outdoor unit and whether it will be a nuisance to your neighbors. Consider the warranty offered by the manufacturer. A good warranty will protect you from unexpected repair costs. Read the warranty carefully to understand what is covered and what is not. Choose a reputable manufacturer with a good track record. This will help to ensure that you are getting a quality product that will last for many years. Split system air conditioning is a versatile and energy efficient solution for cooling individual rooms or zones within a building. With proper selection, installation, and maintenance, split systems can provide years of reliable and comfortable cooling.